Welcome back everybody to the second part of the coilover install on the Saab. We are picking up right where we left off. First thing, this camber bolt's gotta go in, then I need to go through and tighten everything down. If you're one of my wonderful 37 subscribers, you're probably aware that this video is like super late, like 4 months late. Like there's like 3 feet of snow on the ground since I recorded this, so it's about time, but a lot has happened since then, so stay tuned until the end. Everything's looking good. Everything on the passenger side is put back together except for this hose. Still needs to be zip tied back into place, and the sway bar needs to be reattached to the end link. I have yet to actually get it back up into place above this lateral link, and I'll worry about this later when I do the one on the other side. Getting started on the driver's side, this looks pretty ugly over here. I'm expecting it to be worse because the driver's side tends to get more salt as the salt gets dropped in the middle of the road all winter. Hopefully this doesn't take another week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with cracking this nut loose. We'll see if we can get this thing out, and then we'll remove these lower lateral links, drop the strut, put the new coil in, and put the new links in. While I have this apart, I think I'm gonna replace this rear brake rotor as well. The ones on my parts car are in a lot better shape. Both the pads and rotors still have over half life left, so that's what I put on the other side when it ran out, and this one is probably at the end of its life. I think it's safe to say.
The next day.
So it is the next day. It is still completely stuck. Everything's soaked in PB Blaster overnight. I'm going to try and put a jack underneath the hub to see if I can relieve a little bit of the downward tension. I don't know if that's going to do anything at all. Now this side has to come apart, which is not very exciting. The amount of space that I have here, there's not a lot of room to work with, and I thought I might pull it forward past this building, but I forgot it's not very steerable. Yeah, not that exciting, but here we go. It is raining. After spending a lot of time in the cold rain, the head of the lateral link bolt I was trying to salvage snapped off. So to save us both some pain, I will delete a lot of this footage and get to the good stuff. Without any other option, I just had to go ahead and order a new bolt.
The next day.
Thankfully, this actually arrived a day early. Here is the bolt. Brand new Subaru genuine part, made in Japan. This is the old one. This is the one I cut off first. Yes! All right, let's get this strut out. Oh, and I forgot. This is why this was a bargain set. It's missing one of the mounting hardware. I just got the rotor from my parts car installed. This thing is in incredible condition comparatively. This barrel is absolutely disgusting and just powdered rust and pits. This one was completely smooth and still chrome, so I'm excited to have this on here for now. I've got these brake pads, which are essentially brand new actually from my parts car as well, and I'm gonna swap those into my caliper, figure out how to deal with the sway bar, put the wheels back on, and we can finally drive it. Oh man, are you kidding me? Since the other side is broken off, I've just kind of been yanking on the sway bar and sliding through the bushing. I've just been pulling it, and I think I can now bend it enough to get it around the front of this lower control arms, and then we're gonna get this over to the shop so that I can weld the other one in place.
The next day.